Hi, everybody. We are back. So today we have printed off. Can you hold up your journal, Kellen?
Why?
Yeah, we have printed off our mealworm journals. And if you would like this, you can print it off from the description under the video. There's a link to a Google document. It will ask you to make a copy, and then it is all yours. And you can edit it as you want to, or you can just print it out and follow along with us.
No.
Or if you don't have a printer, you can just type into it on your device. All right? Okay, so what we're going to do today is we are going to look at our mealworm habitat for Friday, March 27th. And what we're specifically going to look at is this last page. We are going to look at the larva stage. Okay, we're going to put it under a magnifying glass. We're going to draw a detailed drawing, look at all the parts of the mealworm larva, and get it all recorded on this document. We'll look at some of its structures, some of its parts, and why they're important, what they do for it. All right? Okay, so get your journal ready.
I do.
All right, we're going to go ahead and get one of our mealworms out for Kellen to look at under the magnifying glass. We're going to put him here on this sheet of paper for him. He's got some oats. This is our magnifying glass that we're using. This is great for insects because you can see it gives them a nice little safe space, and then it has a measurement tool inside. So we're going to set his up so he can look and observe. Kellen, can you look through the magnifying glass? What do you see?
Do not see me.
He can't see you?
And cannot touch
Oh,
me.
and we don't have to touch him too when we use this tool. All right, so I'm gonna get one out for us to look at together. And so I am going to use this page right here, and I'm actually gonna put him under in the larva box is where I'm gonna put him. Get my magnifying glass here. All right, y'all ready to take a look?
Yep. My movie.
Wow.
My movie, Mom.
Yours is moving, Kellen?
Yeah.
So,
And
let's
not,
take a look, guys, at all the parts.
and not have tail right now.
Oh. So, I want you to take a look. So, at the bottom of the screen, you can see his head. He's got 2 antennae. He has a segmented body with 13
No, he not have tail.
parts. No, they don't have a tail because they're a larva. It's not actually a worm. This is just the larva form of the
But
dark green beetle.
And white wood.
It does look like one. And while these look like they probably have more, they only have, let me get my camera better here, they only have 6 legs. Mine's moving around quite a bit.
Am I?
He is on the move. They only have 6 legs. During this stage, it can last anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. And they will molt, meaning they shed their outer layer several different times.
Mine will in me until I didn't want that out.
They get darker after they've molted. After they've just molted, they're a much lighter color. After they hatch from their eggs, they're very small and white.
I moved mine.
You moved yours?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Move yours.
So can you get your marker and do a drawing so that you can make your observations and show what your mealworm looks like in its larva stage? I'm going to see if I can get mine to where we can measure his length. Wow.
So I need for on the ID home. So I find that
So
way.
he is a little bit over 2 millimeters. I'm sorry, 20 millimeters, which means he's probably over 2 centimeters long.
Mommy,
You
I'm
can put it
gonna
right
fall.
there.
I'm gonna fall a day done.
Okay. So Kellen's working on drawing his magnifying glass and then showing the mealworm underneath it. So as we observe these guys, we will kind of keep track of how long it takes for them to go into their next stage of life, which is the pupa stage. I can't wait for you guys to see that part. We're gonna be kind of putting them under some lighting to add some heat because heat actually speeds up their life cycle process. Look at him moving away. Look at how quick he's moving. Yeah, he's saying bye-bye. I don't want to be on camera.
Can I know that the out? Let me him in here. It said IDG and then K. So D and K.
So when you guys are writing down your observations, some things to note. They have 6 legs, 2 antennae. They are brown. They have a segmented body. You could say that he's approximately 2.5 centimeters long. That's approximately because our measuring tool up there it's smaller than his actual body, so we're gonna make a educated guess. We want to stay away from like opinion words. Like we don't say, he looks gross, right? That's an opinion. We want to use facts, physical characteristics, things that we can observe with our eyes.
Hey,
if we were brave, we could go ahead and feel him and say what he feels like. We're not going to taste him, thank goodness.
Ew.
Yeah, that would be an opinion word, tasting ew.
Yeah,
you might say it's crunchy, but we're not going to eat these guys. Although in some parts of the world they do eat them.
Yeah, you did eat them. It's a yucky.
And they do sell these at pet stores so you can feed them to other pets.
It's how you did eat them. It's a bug.
Yeah, we don't want to eat insects. Wow, look at him moving there. I'm going to see if I can go in.
I don't like them. Wait, not damn me.
Yeah.
Or hurt me.
I'm going to scoot over so you guys can see his head up close.
Tail. Horn.
See him moving?
No.
See his little legs?
Those
6 little legs move a big body.
And not how wings.
So most of them are at the front, but he has 2 at the back. So he has 4 legs at the front and 2 in the back if you wanted to draw that.
And not how wings.
He does have legs. He has 6 little legs. Look, he lifted his head up to say hello.
No, he has 2 wings. Does that mean he did what?
So I'm going to go ahead and go back over to my journal and draw some of my observations. So I'm going to draw a picture of my larva here. I'm going to draw his 6 legs. And then over here, some of the structures that we observed. 6 legs, 2 antennae.
My fire. My fire.
He was brown.
I saw iron.
And then we're going to write some down behaviors, right? So he walked with his legs. He moved his antenna to kind of feel the world around him with his senses. And we didn't really observe, there's not really a behavior with his color, but. All right, so we're gonna keep observing these guys, check back in. As we get towards like the pupa stage, I'll make sure that we jump back on so that you guys can see it as it starts to change. All right, say bye, buddy. See you next time.